What does America do very well apart from this here? Okay, hold on. I get it. Right now, it's easy to pick on the USA and Americans and what we got going on and all this different stuff. It seems to be a hot topic around the world and the United States of the people in charge and everything like that. Look, that's above my pay grade. All right, I don't know about all that. But to say what does America do well? We do many things well. Americans, we do many. Okay, hold on. Um, I'm on an iPhone right now. Apple computers, iPhones. Y'all got AirPods, iPhones, MacBooks. America. Where's that from? America. Y'all be out there driving Teslas. Where's that from? I'll wait. America. Yep. USA. United States of what? America. Now, a lot of my followers, from Norway, they have actual breakfast and they don't just eat like, the sweet cereal and stuff like we do in America. But they still got Kellogg's in the grocery store. Kellogg's is in the grocery store all around the world. Kellogg's, where's that from? That's from America, baby. That's American. Nike, New Balance, Michael Jordan, the GOAT. Oh my God, look at this over here. You see that right there? That's a basketball court. Basketball is American. It's an American invention. When you play basketball around the world, when you got basketball leagues in your country, where is that coming from? That's coming from America. I'm just saying, I'm just trying to have a little bit of country pride right here. Just a little bit, right? The different things you do. You could win a championship in your basketball league in your country, but it don't mean nothing unless you win an NBA championship in America, right? Right? I'm not saying that's fair, but that is a fact and you know it. You could win whatever movie award, you could win whatever music award in your country, but it don't mean nothing unless you got a Grammy or an Oscar, and that is from America. I'm only saying all that to show you that America does many different things well. We also do this very well, undefeated, baby. And because we have so many people and our country is so big, there's also a lot of things that we don't do well and a lot of things that we're bad at, and a lot of bad things that we're good at, a lot of good things that we're bad at. You know what I'm saying? And it gets highlighted a lot more because, we are the spotlight. The United States is the spotlight of the world. I'm not here to say that's right or wrong or whatever, but it's just what it is. So our bad gets highlighted a lot more. Our good gets highlighted a lot more. Everything about us gets highlighted a lot more. And that's just how it is. But America does a lot of different things very well. Oh, also, universities. The best universities in the world are from where? The USA. A lot of you guys go to school in the USA for the education, then go back to your countries and use the education, and that's okay. But we do a lot of things. We just don't do like, healthcare and universal education and like, worker laws and rights and things like that. And there's a big homeless population and better. Okay, there's a lot of things that we don't do well. I already said that, but many different things that we do well. So yeah, there's that.